Now open. No, put it on your head. Open, look. Rip. Can you rip it open? Right here. There.
What?
Oh, is it Aura? Oh, she saw her shirt. Oh, who is it?
What?
What is it? Oh boy, keep her in. That is your Aura. That's what you wanted. It's a tent. Yay! Who is that?
What?
That is your Aura.
Hi, what?
Hi, Aura. Say hi, Aura. Okay. You want Mommy to get you another one? What about this? Look. Yeah? Here.
Hi,
Open this. It's a big stocking. It's about as big as you. Pull out the stuff in it. Oh, what is it?
Hey.
Here, pull it out. What is that? Oh, what is it?
Okay.
Oh, it's McDonald's food. Oh, you're trying to drink it. Look, there's something else in here. It's food, that's right. What's in here? Pull. Can you pull it out? Tatum, here. She's trying to drink it. Here. What is it? Oh, it's a stroller. And there's one more thing in here. What is this? Oh, Tatum, look. Oh, look. Tatum. That is a ball. Can you bounce it? Bounce it over here.